As the 2025 World Championship Barbecue Cooking Contest wrapped up at Liberty Park, Memphis once again proved it knows how to bring the heat. From May 14th through the 17th, teams from around the world gathered to compete, and the Shelby County Sheriff's Office was there to help keep everyone safe. Specialized units including SWAT, Fugitive, Patrol, and the Volunteer Services Bureau provided security, medical support, and community engagement throughout the event. Lieutenant Calvin Grantham highlighted the roles of our reserve deputies and emergency services personnel, whose presence ensures large events like this remain both safe and fun. Here's what he had to say.
Memphis in May Barbecue Festival is one of the largest in the country, and each year dozens and dozens of teams come out from all over the world to compete. So that obviously brings out spectators, and we had thousands of people to attend the event this year. So we're there to provide law enforcement services and also emergency services to keep everybody safe while they enjoy the festivities. Fortunately, this year there were no incidents for law enforcement or emergency services.
Law enforcement is here to protect us, and when we park our cars off-site or down the road, or we walk to our Airbnb, we want to feel safe, and you know what? We have felt safe all weekend.
Thank you to all of our deputies, reserves, emergency services personnel, and our dedicated partners with the Memphis Police and Fire Departments, who worked tirelessly to help keep everyone safe throughout this incredible event. Congratulations to the barbecue champions who brought the heat and heart to the competition. Until next year, stay safe and keep the grill hot.